G'day, hi, and how are ya? Welcome back. Thanks for watching. On this one, we're back on the car. We are going to test fit the engine, as I've got the power steering pump in there now. And I know I told you I'll give you a walk around on the thank you, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year video. I'm sorry I didn't do that, but we're working on the car, and like I say, sometimes I don't film it all the time, but I'm going to try to film this one, and I'll give you a little bit of what's up at the moment, but tomorrow for me will be a few seconds for you guys, as I'm going to have my brother over to give me a hand. So there'll be two fools in the shed. It's only going to get crazier. So, alright, I'll give you a quick buzz around in a sec. And so I think my neighbours have been fucking dickheads and want to smack in the mouth because they started fucking whippersnipping right when I bloody wanted to start filming YouTube shit. That's it. I'm off to the bloody neighbours. Alright, so now that the neighbour, the dogs, and the frickin' birds have shut up, I might be able to get to tell you about the engine. So here she is. She's 351 Cleveland, 20 thou oversize, balance. I gotta remember this because I done this 20 years ago. Stage 3 cam, Edelbrock manifold, 600 Holy Carby. It's not on there at the moment, obviously. Just a cheap electric Dizzy. Yeah. I'm not drag racing it or nothing. It's just me nice little cruiser with a little bit of punch. So I'm happy with it. That's what we're going to be test fitting tomorrow. And the reason why we're test fitting it is because with the power steering box in there could be an issue with the extractors that I have. So that's what we're going to look out for. So I'll might bring you around for a sec, give you an eyeball in what I'm trying to talk about or trying to say. Okay. G'day, hi, how are ya? And welcome from down under. This is what it looks like from us down here. Anyway, guys, I'm under here to show you what the problem may be. Now, that sits really close to there, right? If it's too close, I'm going to have to notch a bit out of one of these two bolts. I think it's that one. I'm not sure if it's there. I think it might be that. I'm not sure. So, but that's why we've got to test fit. I may get away with it. We may get lucky. That bolts in down there. That sits up there. Hopefully close enough where I may have a bit of wiggle room. But that's the whole point of test fitting it. So yeah, we may just have to tickle this a little. That's why we're test fitting. So I'll get out of here. G'day, hi, and how are ya? Welcome back. As I said, we'll be doing part 2. So we're going to test fit the motor into the engine bay today and see if those extractors clear the power steering box. So come along with us and we'll show you how we do it. Cheers. Yeah, alright, we're good to go. Yeah. Well, we're filming, so.
You want to go start with this one?
No, we've all got to come off. Where's that socket set? Huh? Oh, no. Not the stubby cooler. Where'd that ratchet go?
You want to take some of the weight?
Oh, might want to
What?
grab that. Should be right, but oh yeah, that's for the whole thing. Oh, that's one thing I did too. Actually, take that off there. Too much weight on it.
You want to lift it up, eh?
Ooh. Hey, you want to just lift the whole thing up,
Yeah.
and I'll take the weight of the thing.
Yeah, you can do it that way. Yeah.
No, not working. Maybe a bit higher.
Yeah, there we go.
Surely that's going to work
Better get it.
on that angle. Angle of the thing dangle.
There we go. Move that.
Yeah, that's easier. Much easier to take the trolley off to unbolt this, that way you don't have all that weight on there. As we just discovered.
So, they say you learn something new every day.
Yeah.
So, probably should have known this shit.
Well, some days I remember to do this stuff. We got it. All right. Around and in. Okay. There's that button. Alright guys, we got her in there. It took a bit of an effort, and this is why I needed to test this. I'm going to show you. So if I can get you down here, right here, this pipe is touching this part of the steering box as I predicted, and move them around a bit. She probably should sit something in that area, and I think the back of the engine is pushed that way, so we're going to have to notch that pipe or do something there to get him to come back this way and clear that box. So yeah, it's the whole idea of test fitting this engine before we go to paint. Get all the little things sorted out so we don't have to worry about it later on. Alright, so we've taken it out now, and I wobbled it around enough so I could put a little scratch in where it's hitting. So I think what we need to do is chop that out, maybe invert it, and weld it back in. Some people probably just say, stuff it, just smash it with a hammer, mate. Who knows, maybe I'll just do that too. But I'd like to invert it and weld it up, make it look like it was meant to be, other than some belted ass hammer marks in there. Anyway, so yeah, that's where we're at with this. These marks here, we thought we might have needed. I went back and checked the footage. That's clearing. It's just that one there. Hopefully, if I invert that much, it will be enough to clear. I'm not sure if I'll do it myself. I might get someone that knows exactly how to weld, because if you follow along with my videos, you know I can't weld for diddly. Yeah, so a few other things I found while I was mucking about with the car. Check out my shocky. This thing is stuffed. That should retract right back out again. That's shocking, isn't it? Also, I was fiddling around in the dash there, and this has been in there that long. It's got paint on it from when I painted it 20 years ago. And what it is, an old 2-cent piece. Car's starting to pay me back. About time, eh? Yeah, you don't see them around too often these days. Alright, so I'll think about what I'm going to do here. And yeah, I don't know yet. So leave it with me. Let me think. Let me speak to some people. See what my best option is. And yeah, I don't want to go hitting it with a hammer. So yeah, that's where we're at. Alright guys, that's another wrap on that one. Yeah, so we test fitted the engine, marked the pipe where it needs to be cut. Over here, as I said, that one doesn't need to be touched at all. Just got to trim that one up a bit. Do what we've got to do. I'm not 100% sure what we're doing yet. As I said, I'll think on it some more. I'm no fabricator, so yeah, gonna just investigate on that a bit. And yeah, I'm not sure if it's going to be a 2-part video, like I said, or it could be just a one full-length video with me lying through it there. But if it's a 2-part video, it's a 2-part video. If it's a 1-part, it's a 1-part. It's just, mate, I got no idea what I'm doing. I'm winging this crap. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, comment, those thingy bobs, and share it with your friends and ring the bell. Let's see if we can get this little silly channel moving. It's growing slowly, but yeah, we're getting there. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. So alright, a lot of people think the best thing to clean up a old coin like this Coca-Cola. You're wrong. Tomato sauce, tomato ketchup, whatever you want to call it. Don't need too much. A little bit in there. Plonk the coin in. Cover him up. Now I've got ketchup on my bangers. Let that sit overnight. Come back. See how it looks in the morning. Alright, we'll see you in the morning. Okay, so it's been about 24 hours now. Let's have a look how our little coin's doing. It's in our sauce. It's kind of green in there. I don't know if you can see that. Did have green paint on it. Turn my clean off. Look, the sauce has gone all brown. Look at that. Looks a little better. And it is 1966. Queen's face on one side. And, no, I don't know if you can even see that. There's a frill neck lizard on the other side. The old 2-cent piece. We don't use them anymore, but yeah, that was fun to find in the car.